Ever heard of maggots in the mouth? It's called oral myiasis, a rare but serious condition. Fly larvae invade the mouth, feeding on living or dead tissue. Common culprits: poor oral hygiene, weakened immunity, or open wounds. Symptoms include pain, swelling, foul odor, and visible larvae. Treatment involves mechanical removal of larvae. Antibiotics to prevent infection. Prevention is key. Maintain good oral hygiene and brush your teeth twice a day.